Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the app cache for your Android phone. So if there's an application you're looking to basically clear the cache for, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. And we're going to start off by just opening up the settings menu on our phone. So you may have to scroll up and then select the setting gear button. And then you want to select where it says apps. Go ahead and select that. You want to see all of your apps. So we're going to go ahead and select see all of our apps in there. Select whatever app you're looking to clear the cache for. And then select the storage and cache option. And then you can select the clear cache button right here. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.